down at first a lot, and then I just got back up and kept trying. I like the snow. It's good.